We are back to Jimin Fancam's reaction. I really missed that so much. It's been 2 weeks already. Time really flies, but we have been checking a lot of Jimin moments recently more than the Fancams. But on Petrol, we do more often, so make sure to join there even as a free member. Post like some free content in the beginning of each month, including Jimin Fancams.
Check out exclusive videos on Patreon and place a special request now. Shout out to all my amazing supporters.
사랑하니.
Let's go. I remember we stopped in the Serendipity ending. It was such a cute ending, not gonna lie. I'm fine. It's a good start. Dude, that voice! Damn, I love this. Wow. I don't know why I love Jimin's voice in like live mics. Jet fine. Am I fine? No, I can't handle how perfect Jimin is. Yo, he's serious about the dance. Oh, wow. I love that Jimin is in the beginning of this image. He's like kind of the star of. Then you have the other members like kind of energy flowing. Quintana. Yeah, that's a Jimin. This is a Jimin moment, bro. Interesting choreo. Yay! I love that move. Jimin is so good when it comes to difficult dance moves. Ooh. The stage thing always freaks me out, bro. It's too close. Oh, the lasers. Wow, Jimin is so expressive there. He's like wounded on the ground. Oh, oh, that's over. Airplane Part 2. This is from Mama, Hong Kong. He has gray hair now. Ooh. Wow. He went through their arms. That's smart. Yeah. Not through. I mean, he jumped in, right? Sorry for my English, but also Jimin, like I get so like uh I can't like express when I look at Jimin, which is crazy. But that was a cool move. Idol. Yeah. What do I call Jimin? My idol. Yeah, that's what I call him. Even my friends knew that. Like that's the top name I like to call him with that because I look into him in a lot of stuff. So that name seems more relatable to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, like, what's up with Jimin gray hair, bro? He's looking fine. Yeah. Hmm. Listen to the growl. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, he's doing great. Like, Idol has one of the most unique, like, outfits when it comes to design, and this one specifically is even more unique, bro. It has that traditional touch. I don't know what tradition, but it's so like the patterns are so cool, and I like the choice of Jimin too. Kind of a red, black, and white themed. Ooh. It's like when you see like I went to an old like city and they were showing these very old like cultural stuff and they had these very long um fabric and it has this kind of pattern. I don't know what fabric is for, but that's exactly like the type of feeling or vibe I mean I'm getting from these designs. Yeah, you can't stop him. Yeah. So, where's Jimin? Oh, in the back with the white and red. Well, they showed that part. My favorite one, the fan one. Oh man, I don't know thing. So, running. Oh, the pack. Oh, you see, guys? Do you see like how when he got into like the formation, he was like very like robotic vibe, and it was very strong. Like right here. Look now. Yeah, you see. It really comes to Jimin and how he manages like the gaps between each move. Bro, I love when he says that. Oh yeah, this one. Uh, bro, it's my favorite. I love every time to check the vibe because I know he's gonna do it differently every single time. Ooh, damn, bro. Looks so like so many things going on that stage. Ooh, that one looks like a pearl necklace. Dude, not the ending. Wow, fake love intro. Let's go. Damn, that was very touchy with his body. Damn, that was very like strong and sharp. Dude, no. It's that little pause that he does before like hitting his head. He owns that mic. Dude, chill out with that mic, bro. Damn, I wouldn't wanna be that mic. He doesn't know. He's holding it like a rock star. Is that the keyword? Rock star, yeah. Dude, the outfit is so revealing. Oh, another angle? Another day. Yeah. Jimin. Ooh, the fan performance. Oh, yeah. I love the fan shaking. Yeah. He handled that so well. Oh, he had that white thing attached to his pants for a reason. Fake love. Ooh. Oh, is that a teaser for the dance move that he already had in the main choreo? That was kind of cool and creative. Shit, bro. Like, damn, the toy dance is so good on Jimin, not gonna lie. It was so sharp and into character. Gina, I see you. Let's go. Ooh. Huh? It was so shaky. Why am I even trying? Dude, his body control is not even like, are you serious? He's the sharpest ever. He's not playing around. I'm here to show you the level I have of body control. That's what it's giving. Lie is so bad.